rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so.
Ms. Saabs, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 013374, State versus Adalia Saabs. Could I have parties announced for the record?
David Rodriguez for the defendant.
And are you Ms. Saabs?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
No problem. And I'm sorry, what page is Saabs on?
on page 14.
Thank you.
Fourth one down.
All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Saabs, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Saabs, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, she has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so.
Ms. Saabs, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 12 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,500 fine and the state is opposed to your application. Did you understand that to be the plea?
What?
All right, according to your plea bargain agreement, the state is asking that you be sentenced no more than 12 years in the state jail facility. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
They are asking that your fine be $1,500. Do you understand?
Yes,
They don't want you to have probation. Do you understand?
ma'am. I have to say so.
Now, here's the thing. Now is not the time
Okay.
to say anything. Now's the time to just answer the questions that I'm asking of you. Do you understand that the state is asking that you be sentenced anywhere from 180 days up to 1 year in the state jail facility? Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand that they're asking that your fine be assessed at $1,500? Do you understand that they don't want you to have probation? They want you sentenced to time at the state jail facility. Do you understand? Do you understand that to be your plea?
That they want me, yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is the plea. Your Honor.
State, is that the plea? State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have not.
Then how do you plea? Okay, why is everybody whispering today? I need everybody to speak up. All right, state, any evidence?
State offers states one attachment.
No objection.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Counsel, if you would like this set for a PSI, then it'll be 8 to 12 weeks.
That's.
All right, I need a PSI date. All right, I'll get, Vashon, what date for a PSI? Oh, just give me a date that you would like and we'll make it happen.
May I have February 5th, Judge?
All right, we'll be back on February 5th.
Very good. Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, thank you. All right, the court is calling 2015 CR 3473 State versus Rose Padilla. Could I have parties announced for the record? For the state? For the defense?
Robert Valdez for the defense.
And are you Miss Padilla? You need to, okay, everybody is whispering. Why is everybody whispering? You need to speak up so the court can hear.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Rose Padilla who's placed on deferred adjudication for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on September 9, 2015 for a period of 5 years and extended for a total of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Judge, if I can have just some. Judge, I'm sorry, can I have the record?
Sure.
Because I.
All right.
Work something out and then she can.
Yes.
I will go back on the record. She's going to be being not true to the violations.
All right. All right, we're back on the record. You may proceed.
Violation of condition number 10 in Bear County, Texas. Between the date the defendant Rose Padilla was placed on community supervision and the date of filing hereof for restitution, the defendant should have remitted $81,135.98, but has only remitted $2,504 in violation of condition number 10.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Not true.
Violation of condition number 21 on or about the 17th day of June 2025 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Rose Padilla did then and there fail to complete GED as instructed by the court in violation of condition number 21.
How do you plead to that?
Not true.
And violation of condition number 23 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Rose Padilla did then and there fail to make payments of $100 every 2 weeks in violation of condition number 23.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Not true.
All right. Will you all be ready to proceed on a contested hearing the second or third week in January. Ah.
Judge, you said the second week of January.
Second or third week.
Yes, that's.
All right. Oh, we can bring it. No, I'll do it. It's fine. All right, what date?
It would be the 12th.
But it is a simple case. Okay, we'll just do it on the 12th. Unless somebody wants to do it now and have the probation officer zoom in.
Judge, I the officer.
All right, we can do the contested hearing now. They'll have an officer zoom in. Everybody just have a seat. All right, the court is calling 2015 CR 3473 State versus Rose Padilla. Can I have parties announced?
Ashley Jones for the state.
Robert Valdez for Rose Padilla, Your Honor.
And are you Rose Padilla? All right. My understanding is that you wish to change your plea to true on one of the allegations. You need to speak up. All right, state if you'll read the allegation.
Yes, Your Honor, apologize for 1 moment. Violation of condition number 23 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Rose Padilla, did then and there fail to make payments of $100 every 2 weeks in violation of condition number 23.
How do you plead to that, true or not true? All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 23, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 23? Court will find violation of condition number 23 true. What is the state requesting?
Your Honor, along with probation's recommendation, the state is requesting that the court grant the motion to enter adjudication of guilt, revoke the defendant, and place her on probation or community supervision for 10 years.
Well, no, is this an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? Or is this, I
Not-
think this is aggravated assault with a
Let
deadly
me
weapon.
check and see what
So-
it led to. I apologize. Can we step back for a moment?
Sure, so
The fluorescent lights of a Texas courtroom hum over two women whose fates are sealed not by juries, but by paperwork. First, Adalia Saabs. She is charged with theft of property less than $2,500, a state jail felony. Calmly, she tells the judge she understands. She reviewed the indictment. She signed the admonishments. She is giving up her right to remain silent, to cross-examine witnesses, to a trial. Her attorney confirms she is competent. But then, a tremor in the transcript. The judge reads the plea, a cap of 12 months, then a correction, 12 years. Adalia whispers, "I have to say something." The judge cuts her off. Now is not the time. She swallows her voice. The state submits its evidence. No live testimony, only statements and reports. The judge finds her guilty. No debate, no defense. A human being erased by procedure. Then the blade falls on Rose Padilla. She is already on probation for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Now she pleads true to a single violation, failing to pay $100 every 2 weeks. The judge warns her, by pleading true, she faces 20 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. Rose nods. The violation is sustained. The state asks to revoke her supervision and send her away. 2 women, one for stealing less than the price of a laptop, another for missing a payment the size of a grocery bill. In this sterile room, mercy is dead. The gavel doesn't deliver justice, it delivers a sentence. And as the court moves to the next name on the docket, you realize the scariest monsters don't hide in the dark. They wear black robes and speak in quiet, patient questions.